See ya Parliament House, teaching la Osu Castle. From Osu Castle one, then straight that will be Zaun Polo. Saturday, Labadi Beach.
To chakati azam pava tibanam na za duma ngunam duka gasi muntimina za sanye vulkaton patala fedi yuko punuka tiaka na tizan fana shedin be jimo punu zantenya jimo kati pi bole inside tamale guide com tv zo wilum bona abunwas zo metiana katar kanam zoksun domimala lesto gana na mtudumo puni kabuchana bazana banshana ashisheka bazana karlanya amfani na bitizante mina zasa lazo kabuchana dumo puni netitizana zanguya umbe sambane kama kwarsenere nambo anye ku opate zo katicham drenye dene chekam ku chante namba marhabi kamina zasa di amfani shelban jirkan nama domi benyala bambe tu dumo puni kwamba imarabi
to kulona
mine nyine kuna ndo achomona yego. Okay, that's beautiful. Tuli bolenye lesto Ghana so ibe sambana kabonu bang denye share
so to foi kamchilgi tuzan pawo pamte banam da zaduma to chitinya viete tete alafi kate tato babon mo kapfon kazona tike katinye yiku to kati jongonete yellen kamza hachan ka kwar behra so yulumbo ne Mohammed Igafaro Zakali and I'm the manager to Let's Talk Ghana agency. So Let's Talk Ghana, first of all, let's ask ourselves in the well in the kamati Let's Talk Ghana in the well abi ulambala kama Tugongli Ghana. I think they explain Tugongli Ghana. So that's just about it. Let's Talk Ghana. So we've been doing this. Tufungwarangenda Ghana kazungu shukuru katibe nanda lawe yarawa FTB shukuru ami ne all work and no play is not good so ti kula la tama ngong chang southern place nti toy glenye dun chanshan now nam tiare nta benzira na ba culture namzaka chanta buampa daza pala shukuru katicham buhanda so katikucha nanda lawa katuma like it is getting interesting. Like we should involve a lot of people to also come on board and experience what we are experiencing, especially down south. The Pambia to Kuzula one, but to Atla one, I got to cook Palma one, Tanajango Jansha Polo. Baby, any really Guarabi Guare in Chami Oba. Exactly. So let's talk Ghana. That's Kunye Shamzamba. It is a travel management company which is dedicated to providing cultural tourism and nature tourism. Okay. So the Bayama Kukaterana, nature tourism and cultural tourism. So Shami Babian on the food and there are other aspects of tourism, but we are just focusing on these two. So what is nature? That's the first thing. It's a nature, natural things. When I mean dagbango be north mona trika that natural na unam terterma so kapa southern place ma and it's very good kati kubi tetengban na katemi tengban shelma niro pambia mo kumla voter region mal zoya de mal koma maybe kanya the photo no man ya the pictures the videos bana shin chang na man ka wish no be chang and truly I mean yisa konko na ku you charging chant to nyela be yaronwa nta kaito abehinyele anzi arziki pao so
okay so before katikeni manama ayela yeto apune kamande ipun organizeria lala ben yarama pumpo obole nyami ni keti yune kama detuni eyere go selo bambiane kene to bon yayin ipun chan lo shanga pune
so donc yesham te be shukuru kanang lelewa shagbai be samba na mbwana ba dweticha badin shukuru bin yarama karambana mako sai na dwetita katicha so ti ku bian ma ka ma ti shawari tuni no shara tete bala samba wona da mai tamal ngo to na lawe yara bu gamba warna bu chang bu ku to dweticha so de nam za patini na zo ka ce ka tiyo le so kam ka shi korbe konko ya mun kam za ha be tamal tagban tamal tan kwan ko aza sa vulugu yendi ya puluka be come to Tamale, we go together to the south in the experience what the south got for us. So I don't go motivated to palm, but more to the point, if you travel, you know then who person who doesn't travel. So it's also part of it. Cause want to go and young and go chant to yara but he land tawan song bela lam to la want to go chant to mankan lamna and they pala something de ne to nyanso ko buto yo ka arziki la konko ntuno to che to ngwa la ka temelele ne ba mala aran gwara
te yulam karang mala kama aka yiko nyinkuto nchan lo sheplo ashe ama ma inzan na ban shano de wurin kamande bowiyan nan bane de ba mai su ci gar nyin nim voyinga ayen nan
exactly to lamba la ma kachi I can remember Unkonko before ka tinam pilga be yaran wannan na nuko pola ran voter agent ta pagi hohoi ni Willie Waterfalls na ta gbati an ka timin ba ta tumsham.
Okay, so before ka chan ni mana the southern experience tour dan ke malkana ne itizante soloma denye wula yan chan la saf nti chan bambang lo shan adam pai tous les tensala ke ibwani chang ntinyala namternu mama
so labra una ababu so tensata ka tiacha to bwana ti changar lala to ama da mala tum do gwa bien tensata ka tiacha to ko isla tamal won chang saf polon tensata akarabero pule ne volta ko dulon ta pa eastern region la tensata ka temi chang Accra bien.
Voter region. The
Eastern region.
Cape Coast mbala.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So tensata ka tiacha temi chang tungu about more than 10 different attractive sites. Yeah, so Willie Waterfalls be the puli I think
so check dar piam buleka munya zanti Leicester Ghana.
So Leicester Ghana sanyela member.
Okay.
Support la manager. Samani Ibrahim wa Mustafa. So manager na funyaro. Te region tabata Katian. Didn't Greater Accra, Voter region, the Eastern region.
Okay.
So
Eastern region man, the UK born in Cape Coast man because yes, a lot of people but me look shaping Eastern region, but I in the Cape Coast. Then the Magul Pam, but man, in boy be the yes.
Okay, the Cape Coast. So Voter region, Martin Chala Mountain Afajatu.
Okay. Mountain Afajatu. That is. The biggest mountain in Ghana.
Exactly, the highest
in Africa. Highest mountain in West Africa.
In West Africa,
okay.
Exactly.
So, the same Voter region, Market Lunch and Willie Waterfalls.
Willie Waterfalls. Waterfalls, Sheba Voter region. Willie Waterfalls. Okay. Okay.
So,
two places, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So, I can Cape Coast, man. Tamale, the Umbrella Rock.
Umbrella Rock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Kachang Boti Waterfalls.
Boti Waterfalls.
So the same Cape Coast Martin Chambosu Eco Park. So Tikana Greater Accra. Tinchang Parliament House.
Okay. So Nkana before ka Tinchang Greater Accra first place to go manyara Voter region. Voter region. Katien Chang Mountain Afojat. Okay. Let's talk small about la place ma. Nirbo pam bumi dinja ban shabaku no mnirinjala zwele. Kama zwelma wula zwele nyele karamalla shipsin minazaha ku yisi yon chang hale Voter region titinyele. So anche be
so luchiden so zolla shipsin yare denye dene de ko zero kunko to nyar zoya kar pampataba de don ko zero kunko lala kale ngalsi so de kunko na cikaranye la shipsi aka tele aka da zar kunku ma zo ya garla la marle un wa garle to ma dinar zar kunku da zo ce kaso kamza ha ba abirin ma ai ka le din ne da highest zole don ku zar ku ka zai la din cika nan la jibsika
de mala un ne nguma ba ka shabiyar kama aizan de jours ça ni de to zan de jours ça pour jongle ka so ha doa de ku chala street
exactly so to go la stories ma even though me na feel rezo the second time tin da chana me na feel
ka boka bora su
da gonna ma mo we to aka
so that's beautiful so my name is Sham this are the one in the pani man capi teams by
exactly
ka sur now the one teams ma to confirm ba
beti to aka
of course so kam no kucheno mala dale shedin taroni man so dinan ka anto chan ka ba gonte ntizan ka su ya ambor shekara nan
ay to ama team am tinzan la pay no bishi alzumba del katitiam be voter region
now inside
that will be on the 13th of June.
Okay.
Aluzumba ntie nyele. So by then mark atien duzwelma. So ti to dul maybe ton pozumba rezo. There is a lot of opportunity to pozumba so ka sui na woni a only bor shekam. I mean tam rezo bro. Wallahi am bana na wonna mal na. Wallahi am bana na wonna. Am believe ya kadama Ghana counter shelam jenni. Demi be Mountain Fajato. I do so Santa Yul Tamba na counter shelam jenni.
Okay.
Zoyamin gila counter.
So from there Katichang
Willy Waterfalls. Yes. Okay. So ten Jula Mountain Fajato kama in Charmani yelma. Ten Jula Mountain Fajato tinye demberezo kalwil gili. Amitam rezo ba anyara vota ami Togo no. Kabo be bo purne. Deza hala jibsin yala be voter Mountain Fajato alan ka Ghana network. She Togo network. Yes, so ti Julie kaye to abelme nyele is about hiking. So mang pang sebo nyele kat dung pang se temang shina ti shina karo umtia kat le chang Willy Waterfalls to join mat mangza exactly ti mat mangaza nchaza woni at 8:30 there about kat labi nga to yang male nye tumagba no mi shido umti
kat don ni manove kana so man ya terna yarme tibi yar chandema dinyam pilsham bonda kat yisirma.
So tiku mpuchona the following week. Yes. So a week after Salah.
Okay.
Katia set off, and that will be on 12th of June. So from 12th June to 15th June, it's going to be 4 days, 3 nights tour. Yes. So 3 different locations. Come out in the Punyelma. Yes. So come out. So that is it.
So ti see your the first place in your voter region, like you said, man.
Exactly. So itinerary, man. The whole itinerary. That's the lineup of the tour. Okay. So from day one, that will be on the 12th. Say Isla on Thursday, 12 June 2025. The main dweller Eastern Corridor or Eastern Dagon side, man. They are non GTT. Yeah. So Tuku is straightforward for the day one. Yes, for the trip day. So from Tamale to Hohoi, voter region straight. So Tipagi maybe from say it's like 7:30. Tipagi probably Timbedman by 9 to 10 thereabout. So by then kata relax sukoma kajuan nebiao. So kabjanye to mama mangma. So to makatna njua fajato. That's Hohoi. Kata ju matina fajato nte nang tia nang shakam nagi kakana Willy Force nte malmai temang kadrokom katini mati. No we should do ma kai to abehinyere.
Of course.
Yes, it's an exercise in hiking, and I think people who are doing gym and people who love training, this is the best time for them to come and challenge the hill, the peak. So the boat say, "Mama, tell my story." Oh, text mama by Aisha. The last thought in that bed money. Got to make sure to do well. Kasha so jinsi them come in and so no so belong. No back up to no back up to look at she. Mama mi ona ngwetwe mfu mi de nyesha kata gbadu ta wana wada na opare bra kpablaja
keto abe so abona ni yipi zolma du sane to dimpaya kaman wana wake
kazol belenyelo de pa kama atwa konkone ka shenda yele yes ka atwa konkone ni yele gesia that's the highest peak in Africa karakuze eru konko ka duze I can actually tell the exact kilometers of the hill, man. I can't best quote though, but it is the biggest, the highest, of course.
Okay.
But and I want lazy, maybe 3-4 hours. As Anjuli, yes. Well, we know strong. Kakuguri Kobani, maybe it's going maybe 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours, you'll be up there.
So it means that you can't do mahali.
Nerozo sa pakwa nyomani, nerekwa nyomani. Akwa njumte tami akabanka da na one jia mo.
So the next steps ndulembara.
Yes, so what happened is but to provide the passages. But passages ma then usually ma sai mi kom serme.
Okay.
So là bây giờ even zo sang ga bra to satenti na ma ba di yong na pa ba bu sia na point den jar zo sa konko de kon la zanbo hal côté ko si bra se ka pon vubr za halawe so sa don de yan cheka banka ban be zo sa ka ti en junta zo sa ma ne
kara de ben ko ma tinir ma ne son to tam de zo ka pon karate
to ya mali inta ton ko wum ne da bu chala te jom ne na ya inta ka tire me kare example
of course kala de mala
yes ayel passages
safety guys chai you see no to la zolma ka shi na ka to ashe ku kan.
Oh, exactly, there are routes bien teaching ba te meet la togad so bien me yan zanta hala ka tu zo sa tri para tri changwa tri cabra juli pirga pala no teacher bo malabo officials ka ti me fo hen yo taba ka banyo so ti guys ya ba to ni ba ta ti me ni ba yi ka zanta du zo sa ma ka yete then nang sham hal ka ti zo ma ka ni ba kanna kare and it's a great experience. You need to be part of this program. I mean, the Southern Experience Store. This is not just going to be an experience, but it's going to be a therapy as well, a healing. Because I really the lineup, man. We plan visiting more natural places. I think it's nature too.
Okay. Yes. So tene yalla tuni. I don't know. Ti na la process ma zasa o yele vube yetwa ibola lokshe ploti yan chante vube lourma ka te ko en labte ente doya en sala ne biala pore te bagan ma te chanma
nta en ko en tolo nta bia wo shi mu pun secure ya.
Okay.
Ka chante mbal ba ni mane so ka bo mi ba te fila so ti ko pare tiens yan changla to hotel ne nto doane yi biama chang mountain afajato.
Okay, so are you telling me that ti page tenen chang moto bogomshi na gui vovien yalanga ne bia katana pa chang ti enye la jipsi ben yaramozasa to ti ya labna ti kwara ti lori chana bet la en vume ka biane ka te yisi.
So ka chana mali so ti du zoma lamna ka chante do kom c'est la to en kuli te bene ya ne daba na ka tienna so to bola bia wishi hotel ba zoma matina fajato to lugba kala shi se benyali ka en jemar ho ka ko en joina adwane mbi ka le rozole asbas mal chelle ku chela asbas mal ka ina ti zanka yula ba je rozole
ampa na
ra chi shakam ka zang na ona man shel to so hotel shel be ku mar la zolma den ka ti en dwane so dimi zolma me ba be wane wili force ma de za ku mar la taba so ti ku yi wili force ma tle lab na zolma nan te dwane ka biao to den ne biama una ti en dan la yibi do shi ti en chala ankara.
Okay.
Daba yi ka tien 2 nights ka tien nang
voter region.
Dan sheton ko doloro mo pa na mana te dwane. Ka bia nduzo ma chan Willie Force lamna ntlan dwane 2 nights. But tien ne bia wa tien dan la yi kama 3 am. Mi tien cha Ankara. So 3 am this is 3 am probably by 9-10 timbia Ankara dinan ka traffic be disturbance. So ti pa Ankara first tien cha Pelman House. And that will be on Saturday. Take our Pelman House and Pelman House in Ghana government in Chenshaw. Yeah, so from Pelman House, maybe middle of the day, that will be 12. They will move to Osu Castle. I think these are the two places, the more natural.
Okay.
Yeah, so Katicha Osu Castle, Tinye the Baha, Nyama the money. So comes out having me to share them for Bambo me, but yes, exactly.
And so Parliament Mocheno, do we have Anto Kubora MP so Bakana Boji. ti chende ma punti ti tanto yogolo ni man
Saturday tianyele so to don ka permit
the proceedings into Canada.
Exactly. So to kubo men ti chant bank government ben rana de ben it's important. We are Ghanaians, we should know.
Yeah, of course.
Exactly. Terminero pambia te bakarene. So katko decide ti zang la pai. Tichang mami tumbo boisi. Bishana tende bamia.
Mami ka parliament mo konko bang mama. Ankara mama ka ko chante bangle. Maka eto abe mbalama. The capital city of Ghana. So dinanka abie biago pune ka mi Ankara ka eto abe na bala. Sara mabukata ne so come to Yina. So ti Ankara ma we are moving straight to
exactly. Tina bi Ankara ma tina bi Ankara ba. Ti ya Parliament House ti chen la Osu Castle. From Osu Castle one then straight that will be Zawon Polo. Saturday Labadi Beach. But is a middle nation money. Zawoni around 4 to 5 tembe Labadi Beach. So no man una kabambeka te borna tena to ko ban to kumata ma beach party. Beach party. When do ma that's fine. It's open up. But to go and design la chinchandanga. No man. To no ko enjili yo mo changa man.
Aba.
There's la chinchandanga do man.
I nya chanwe le bilsi nyintwala chawe. Kamaya.
Exactly. So this is just going to be a different tour altogether. Yes, the phone baby no kada you kamane yelma suka tukube nandele. Even organizing staffs we've been in there for a while. I don't have to talk. Even a back of SHS.
Yeah, keep on being this are the way experience.
It be SS. Kada to go buy onkulusi bamale unions. Ndamala T-Town union, Tamale union.
Aba
organizer le to go buy mbo basta on kuna tamale. Yes, union come down even Dagomba that's Adamala. Still come T-Town union. Bahadere.
Bangba kuna yen tamale.
Bahadere.
Okay, travel.
Katu varba kuna. So about traveling and all those stuff, I don't know. Maybe it's a calling. But since I didn't know, maybe I'll involve myself. Okay. So from SHS, I've gone to university and studied tourism as well. So that exposed me and I'll go out there to travel around. So like we were saying, by the way, so TA, let's come back to the talk.
Changing down,
this is changing
so check on boy, this Katiza Hamid in Tianchang. Nimma Tenla and Jitin Mlechan. Benny Katia Kati Dale, is it that Ibanye organizes more organize love and Yaron be quantity, be free Katitian.
So Yamana clients come to them the free. Baba na ngoma yandampe.
Okay, so
Tukutori kale do shi tumala shabayan sponsi so bani akatamala na ti to na banan club yarama shabayan sponsi ti na tetabanzira ba so it impossible malama but
okay
to my provisions kadama we're going to feed anybody but we are calling for sponsorships. So if they come on board we'll be able to feed maybe lunch at the beach or maybe supper at the beach market couldn't party beach money and that's what we've planned for, and truly it will come on. It will come on. Just get on the bus.
So sponsorship Martina, you go cutting here. The way not to Zampuru par
the year la so
to Avemba
check out Changwa Nagi. Marsa Yung Malama to do the party and Saturday at Labadi Beach. Everybody know how it is there. Yeah, it's gonna have fun, great feelings, great experience. Yeah, so from there to be in Accra to Ekwala Bas in Chambosu, that will be Eastern region, Cape Coast, like you said.
Okay.
Yeah, so going to be in Accra to Ekwala Street to Bonsu, to Tuanamani, in Kabiao. That will be our last day, and that will be the 4th day, Eastern region. So from Eastern region, first of all, we'll go to that will be the Umbrella Rock, and the Umbrella Rock, there are a lot of places there. Canberra Rock, about 2 or 3 places, like hidden places.
So, the umbrella man to understand that Dagban Lepune. I mean, Takayueka
NDC.
Fine.
Yeah.
So, we are calling men Kole and Chankati, Boone and Umbrella Rock. Is it that the Biagung man umbrella Benis and could decide and was on a boile?
Bohoka, the Biagung man umbrella. So the yellow quarter show, or Ban, we are quarter, and it's a no Ka Dilia tam ko bil fu ngozo so ka nan kama katawiya so ka nirwo ne to pa nirwo pi ban chiro longni ente bien ka sa mi te bagwa ka
so
wala ambrara so de biya ko ne chantang mani katawiya ma be umbrella, that's the reason
anya disaru weni timbe yon machine se mate pa ambo gwara ben yar shanga bien because ibno man nche kama te bang na lokshe pro bien ka koleza kanye umbrella
to la gypsy dengar la bin pour to la umbrella rock ma yini ba temi coconut tree son da ban le coconut tree
pa
dembe kulusin no so kam ko mi carrière zo yini so jiniere kar ma jaba
of course
exactly to share benin polo an ku ya umbrella rock ma da tirs biya ba da zanman coconut kar nye jaba
walga
zaro ko ta Ghana zaro nyero ko Africa zaro nyero ko zanman
ke to
la gypsy lampa sa abia menye share chapo
no na jinye share this will be my first time
exactly yeah. So kar ko nyela gba ti no mane umbrella rock ma ka chanti la coconut tree ma so bo mai bo shana mane be na man ba so re dire pa so an ko pa ka so to coconut tree ma de share comes aka sanna is a belief. I believe in the truth that they has their culture.
No mami ngo it has nothing to do with belief. At times me yar shanga bien ni mama mana on nam le ni man and it's not like I am really burlebe ben sha ama I am ni man pandu mana one nam ni la shanga on nam pa bia gune ka so hadua ni man ka de tumta ngo de para kamande irin burlebe sinyale
kama what is the name Muli National Park Mr. Stobe chanta so what is the name coconut
para polomo benchano
exactly la ka bonan na man baza as their tradition an ku bor shel kamza a so ti ni mani ti asirgame kana gbanne nchan buti waterfalls so buti waterfalls ma da ba la gypsy nyale waterfalls na ma nyale karbi zayirni ka bol na pamindo oui ka ci zayirni
shiru kulana yira
la gypsy lambian paon so oui juba kaza ayinci da shirin ba gwaci pamindo no la amachana na woni kun nam shamma ko lan nan unnan tiar gbazalan nan
kargbalan kana
so la waterfalls ma gba benin poloma pamindo buti waterfalls kar ko nyela ay char ne gon ma na kon ko gba ti na mori kayan ya kadama nu na woni jama na shirin
okay
be ta mali jama nof ta kalajipsi
no ma lajipsi den ka ngwana donc tenen ngwana wa bitu ko ne lajipsi bien no le to an ko nyene because Brian a chen kontama pour bondir lo cheplo kat boy halem bonje nazo so
I care about the force ma dun ben ti shezara dun ben anna kun mala gana pi kat blanta da gwango zara ti kare da barlam na walam kare za ko lozo ami ko ilma kar bilina da bilnati yin tam ko ilma zo bil pala ko zo na sala
no na chat za sa ti bi pa
na ka tibla ti ba lenta no fu zalati kan
so anya pompo no borsham tun ko yar ma mun be sambanne oni en yarme ka on pa ko bonu ban ya tun so mo ni yar sham ma because mim ni dadam kam imale feeling akuto umo ka so bita na chama
exactly
na ana kala feeling asune and dada mi kuto bien kaka feeling to dinan kulni bonu banya ala kan kuliyan yugo kato nyela experiences mo ma zasa so yen changle ala ntuni obonte yibanjiamo kartozo mo chanko tinyela ben yarama
to ba ka bo triye pa metrena na yuale en ko vaso kamza ha chanko tinya de ko arbe ha do bishi ai chana ayura ma bia ana bono bakana
tana tinya
nizo katta pabo noma tribi zaska sponsorship de dele kat chan yuale ba ma to ko nyela sponsorship so la zo tie so kan ko ba mjela biala
okay
lam kat chan million pi ne 500 Ghana cedis. That's 1,500 Ghana cedis for
so $1,000,000 dagban le
exactly $1,000,000 $1,000,000 for one person That's per head. I born a chang. I may be a million pina no. It's a bela do in nearby pump. Come on, nearby ta, nearby nine in the room. I may born as a passer will be a paki chang. You are a kunko jubi, a kubormi na chang. Akuna ku ajina gapsami kapa akuna ku akubora piece. Then 2,000 kain you kat wala ko juta. Demi yala mina before be a payen chang. Agba you 2,000 kat wala ge juta mina before be maza.
Nkana chama kambora chat love explain it nirwa ka wanya.
Ai chama lamba.
Nkana. Ayen chang akunku. Akulen yisi mpa chende mapuni chang akunku. Ayen yola 1,500.
Exactly.
Kabazan gabe maybe nearby yibi atan. Sorry, they started from 3 to
exactly
4.
To 4.
So double
depending, that's double occupancy or shared occupancy. Depending on the number of beds in the room.
Ni borsha maya. Ma yela shapulu ni nearby yimi. I born ni nearby yibi.
Okay.
Ayibu ma yene yola 2,000. So to welcome le kyongo. So nto yulia maybe nzonya. Can you 2,000 mina biane? So nto yola labo.
Ai Yelmia, Banville, the one like to
of course, so
Yelmia, Amina pa, be abi from Blambia, Amina Azu. Amina pa, be abi from Blanc, Luna, then your power.
In a malas will you
2,000. Katiti, Ami Juyanga, 1 bed, Amino Kunku, that's single occupancy for couple. 2,000 Ghana cedis. Nearby, the Minia Gokubora Kunku Ju, Akapa so. Nkubora kunku amejina meso de 2,000 akagba you kateta exactly. So dimi nyela tenama nyeti then tebanye dakwe maka yema nkwenyela 1,500, that's it. Lion on jury. Yes, maybe depending on the number of beds in the room.
So lorma marunga itiku twar ma chenlema wula ke yul halatin nan dingmala lorma do tampam because I yiche ni achang Volta region ngare Ankara yini man labna Cape Coast ke njara loksheplo ke nye lala namtiar shanga zanga yeloma kartu kunye 1,500
nawe Allah biare
1,500
Allah biare azan 1,500 akuna ko akuto chankara kalamna gwa
no ma hala ambe yel ba so loksheplo din nang man yasim nyama ya ka malpa ende bezasa ka nanto yonti ni vobo ka beaucoup doite ka ti chang amina a girl be apa ke ku yo 2,000
exactly
inirba ima ka bien yi ko
mami system man na is very hot, you understand. So those who cut yet to sponsorship never pay DG so kan ku normal price ka chang la den yangti den yang niro pam kabiela. So those who cut to la song tangma no so kam za tuli ka yina ka ti chang do your opportunity ngba chang South Polo. Even I punchana, this is an opportunity again. Maybe you've never been in group. You've ever been in group. This is going to be a different group altogether. Can't feel the vibe. Yes, we're going to tour the South.
Chakanya di kama tanko jinmo de pilma yipum pile nirba lagrenem jahabu be yene pilmi
to nirba pun kolere book receipts. Yes, so if you are ready from now onwards, I could your monies are ready. You can call the numbers on our flyers. Exactly. And do your payment and make your bookings. So actually, we didn't want to go with plenty people. To go few. It's just to have fun.
Never
30. Exactly.
You know, Sean, because little man do things, Shama, the Malamani, Solomati, Dimitri, she so come chang. The between so zang, that is in a notice, Chankati deny 30 ma. Are you sure that Nirvama Kukanagala?
To bankana gare to tuktung ma ba maybe next time
to bo social dia nang dit nang kanirma kanaga tetima ka bugba kullu to pa do teacher.
So what happened Maya tijene mu'su gutlam ma tinmani I understand. So to kamani yama to funung da ban yaran kan yidin chanshan. So out of experience so ka ta bona tizang nirba bela changwa tizang nirba pam chang da tantlan nante kamata last to Landa, but that was with UDS people, students. Tra organize a chang nimpo kamaton kuchen shapo katra cha. Kaniru matla yina halle one department katra work with kada department to join it. Kata zobo suka deba mbo two basi zanchang. Drana hanta panku ya den hamti. So it like a mistakes like repeat. So I could no better book your seat before it's too late. Because a week after Salah, the thing we are kicking off. And Salah could be Yoma.
Of course.
That is it, exactly. And Tiko Puchonage, the following week we are going off. So you should come early and book your seat early before it's too late. Exactly. I can cut the phone palette.
So chekatinya iku ya desire jele nimbiar gwaza habien kama ntembo sisha mo chone puhe na the first week kala sama ite pa katende mania netiji namba she changma karna ba page tikuli nzanga bampunyu ma changbe tungu karba pa katin to zang baza
ai di kuya ni vo yega yo tenzo oncha it happens before to take it the people that was in 2020 yes, and I won't mention the school name though. Katra organized that was 5 people and that we are going to Moli National Park. We didn't say how do you one person in you? Well, yeah,
that was beautiful. Check out the vote comme Kalabna. I could be alone come Kayuna, Gado come TV zone bon. Min let's talk Ghana na bedroom purma. So the chankanta katuku vote comme Jo Kalabna. Okay, so to vote comme Kalabna, Nirma mina nyala bambe dumo pune. So bro, briefly, now you because I know there are people outside there can understand that Dagbandi and they also need to carry along. At least they have to know. They need to know what we are here discussing. So briefly, Niyunaku yelle English biala so that when be samban ne kabu ne Dagbandi ugbana to bang to ashel zoden jiti dumano.
Okay, so we are here discussing about our upcoming tour to the south with themes the Southern Experience tour, and it is coming from Let's Talk Ghana agency which is bringing out this program. Yes, so it's going to be a 4-day trip, 3 nights, and we are touring 3 different regions in Ghana here. That's Greater Accra region, Volta region, and Eastern region or Cape Coast. Yes, I will be touring more than 10 different attractive sites.
Wow.
Yes, so just a cool sum of money you'll be able to be part of this trip, and that's 1,500 Ghana cedis for our double occupancy, that's shared occupancy, and also 2,000 Ghana cedis for a couple. Yes, for you or your wife or your girlfriend, you pay 2,000 Ghana cedis to be able to join us. And this sum of monies take care of your transportation, your accommodation, and what is it? The attractions.
Okay. So the with the feeding aspect there, whoever is going means that you have to take
exactly. We don't feed you. We don't promise feeding anybody there. So you come with your feeding money and all those stuffs. But maybe if there are some snacks and drinks we'll give out, and probably there are some things we can't promise now. Like I said earlier, we are calling on sponsorship. Yes, to assist us on.
So which means that a lot of things will come as a surprise.
Exactly. A lot of surprises will come. Like I said earlier, we're planning to have a beach party at Labadi Beach. So we're calling on sponsors to come and take care of that for us. And not only that, there are a lot of surprises that will be coming on. Like I said, if you check on the itinerary, there are 8 different locations which are on it, but we'll be going more than that. But that's a confirmed place. We'll be going more than 10, like I said. Yeah, so there are a lot of activities that will be coming on this board. And you know, 1,500. If you have 1,500 on yourself, you can go to Accra and come back. Yes, with that. And looking at this, you are going to tour 3 different regions. So this is an opportunity for everybody, everyone who is ready to tour the south. Then this is the best time for you. If you've ever been there doesn't mean you shouldn't come on again.
Yeah, of course.
This is just going to be a different thing altogether. Maybe you've been there alone. Now this one, it's in a group. Or
For me, I think you are just coming out to help the guys, because for you to use 1,500, I mean, to tour these 3 places from Volta region to Accra to Cape Coast, and it's not easy.
Exactly.
And the most simplest this thing that I love in it is the fact that you can go there with your girlfriend with a cool 2,000 Ghana cedi.
Exactly.
It's an opportunity for the guys to, maybe you are following a girl and then the girl is not giving you attention. So I know if you can take this thing as an opportunity to go with the girl. And
so there's a little secret to under the, what is the name, the pricing. You know, we've been there. This is our job. We've been doing this. So we are friends with the attractive size. So due to that, we have some compensations. So that has also contributed to bring down the price to 1,000 Ghana. Left on to others. If you want to go and organize your people, I don't think it's going to be cool. So this is just the opportunity for everybody out there to come and join us after Salah, a week after Salah. That will be 12 to 15th of June. Next month we'll be kicking off to the south, experience there and tour south and know whatsoever thing what is happening out there.
So ne labna sana ka to kwelva ndo arpemo de mala to ashena zampango
ntan kwen mpara bana jani so onda mai mara shawara ntan kwarsa da keda na bam because o yalgo puno da wo yani opun organizer lo so opun organizer lo ma o mi match no le about tourism. So on kale to ashan masa dende nanka abwana agbachanti ni yana tiaro masa yotuna kwama kayo ma kunko ni yana maybe ton ku beta mara mama ngala te dia galfu to ku tune taba gumbe kama kitama ta
nyaba shara
ti experience mi ya sanga dum belo shapu maybe ti chan ni mana tuntu nya bandir sanga banzira ba sanga ben ya kama on yale anta faja to ni man ka ba guna be
This beat boy why you to ambara
the spirit of their ancestors ni man ka ba be nta teacher la ben yara maza so then la promote ben shanya socialization maybe umbomiya
then la antena
together katabanta ka share contacts so nan ka power bianka na on ka share
exactly that boy
kabadali yana
nta an ku pan la so kamsa hajan ban wumnati kabar ni adam buka ticket yutuna pole number
to gol number mama din kan je gulu ma teacher
024 79 11 66 1 or
no that boy MTN.
Okay, 024 7911 66 1 or
Anto Kole, Amin
Tolan mbol number baso.
Okay.
024 034
034
yes 700 1
okay la boile
024 034 700
desa ngam bor ni o pachando ma pune kare chang on boil number sholo ma anto contact le it means that ka anto kul contact le ba ka boaba chend mani en chang sham ka explain more zanta for the sake of time trimba yeto anam pamnati yele but sahama kane dozo dinan makanyi bolla number ma den kambian bantu yala lormani en yo sham and then you do it so bro final words because the time man can
final words nko kwanla so kamjande opportunity mbono manati yina ya enchang gwar moment ye laship exactly kamani yara makala laship sma kunko nyele but the my love feeling sharani it takes off sorrows, especially being around nature, the peaceful surrounding, the cool surrounding, the cooler surrounding alone It's a therapy.
Yeah, of course.
It's a therapy itself and healing. Worries mala but nanga hala biar ba tichama. Let's go out there. And do zolma shena nyala. I chat to do I mean zolma Willie Waterfalls. You know anyala fi. So nature itself is something that is more beautiful than even watching. Let's just go and be with it.
Okay.
Yes, not just watching it on TV or maybe on our phones. Let's just get there and feel it and have it for ourselves and see how it is. And we have it here in Ghana. Kasha pulukati echa. Shagora chantundi yeti nyarle. But we have it here in Ghana. But tamanogara ka at least le lanta wea in Chang South Maha nti nyeden pia kabara. So span la so kamza hajande. The beginner numbers in their numbers and come and support this program and let's go and have fun and come back again.
Okay. Yeah. So the manla the number na mane tembo share bagma the manla ne mistake shall be the pune. So if you can check and then correct it.
Check and lambole 024
034
034
034
7007 024
034 034 7007. Okay, so number man balama boy shall last man. First one man when I correct in here. So then the boy said second one man then mistake be puna and two boy mama pum pum. So Afana West.
Ntanku encourage la so kamza ha katamal konko kumondo pon yarama abe safelo abe kushao abe tolan abe nyampala nta da ban lo kamza aibe kabwal namba na mo inshallah anyala mo yampa donc o mi pon yarama ner mala kuta dinde nan ka ba dankana
kar pale
nage ala arado kulande so abangane ampa you
okay. Okay. So that's beautiful. And then kapai ndwara kwa mama na bunchana dumo punika tezan la information mama nzantena. And I'm encouraging each and everyone who is outside there. These things it's not easy, and then me I'm so happy that they are here to, you know, nebuzanti changchen the shanga minazan the bora and then kana kutu changle to konko. So mama yala opportunity karatune minazasa to grapple the encheka tiba miwiti kulanje angbantu eye mitwanwo kami uma konko ayen chantinye na one namla jipse benyar shama ke to abe mbalama. And so of course I be samban de tuna appeal to abo zanchanton kulbuk sa shema de tiam paga ka gbanu to pa chendo ma pune kare chang don kulun wan yaksam de pune nyala 2000 aspect ma mande yabna nan la din ma 2500 be 3000 kaladin ma to kunye 2000. So mamalan so ne believe kama aba 1500 ma gwa tibe nyamu yes because ten shavno pum mal power so kachi
te da kwema gwa bien
amada kwema ma aba waka akwe changchendo ngoma de tumna ku 2000 ma kari piga. So that's beautiful. Donc bien mbalama nemo anu ku yeni sheje ka artist mo mankan exclusive way ma sa she kam kan ne pun yana banan table song ma ne ma pulu mankan nyala yonga kami ne ma yeto apam dezo aku changu o boutique ma pune kama mambo mini shara yan piga mu yan wa ma ko liga mo ka ko jinja mo ka ko nam no ai azan tam taba den chen ka ami aku chana ka nirbe buyunda dezo mankan mila ne ma yeto kan panda jande anye yonga be ni nkurgun kunya ka abon ne ma yeto antu chang mankan sana titom to select ambon sha mankan nyala ngumbe shisha ai ku ya bisku to no biara ka yule ba sha ben ka bonu suje pa ayula nu dirguzo mankan boutique manya dem bien ami yanya para polo kan ala pani man no ayula nu zazo mankan nyala ngunjini mane mankan namba ma okay dem pass cream mazo dinan ka bore ne mama on delivery mun mama to ku select ne man zan pagana ka ta da don ku biyan balama den ce ka gba yele jai ka sonya ka file so ne zan pour sunti manager gaf amala to
yes so mala final thing about payments ma. The first 10 people who have t-shirts for them ta. That t-shirts ma shana kati.
Mangbaza ma t-shirt biasa.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so the first 10 people to onboard on the bus, they will be going home with their t-shirts.
Wow. So be the first so that I want to your t-shirt ma. Your t-shirt ne jamo deeper 100 city 70 city po akwa nyel free make to abem balama so okay you to azamba okay so
bana puru so non pushaba yes kama for the sanar gonum kwana bonum profess yes that's my area the one is a puru so to bapam to be ma za habam
ambla yira na kwa ma araya mana an launa go
trachel de ngone kada chanto kuna chanto kuna namala num studio mela battle track shirt shaw volam poster nama adwa beef track taba
dinya la ngambala beef track banin me mami muna zanda nan yila ma kartin yanto bere be yanto ma ga ka
tella tichama
of course
tida botel lamna
no problem
so baraun ni kam bona poya yes baraun yeah bona za puru sungto pa ya ma ko
ni mana verso mi
aba
okay mami
te pa mo na monyona yes ne alaji wahabu yes anar go
to alaji ngaro boyo de pon program mon ma serious problem de cargo toi alaji wahabu yipya lamba ma tinna primary so nang ma ban sha so man ku bubla tale kala zanko okay so that's beautiful I could be a local camp yuna Garacom TV zone bon inside Tamale campagne de Jandi Sasha can be to subscribe to YouTube channel ka like it page on Facebook ka follow it ka on TikTok bazan ti bien an to follow it ni man Sasha can ti ba program kan to will all the social media platforms Martin yala bambere pune ngulum bon ha mo azan pour son zanti manager Samero kwa mampune ka programs mo ma pare ama inshallah ti bi de kare viala na zantinye via page mo da tinye la ban lamna tizam program share dem bien zantinya ndor kwa mo matin na nyesa jinla ka gandi yala ma zantinya ke nyedin chensha so that ka za lan changchen mo ma ka kuna assalamu alaikum abanga ba to